Hello everyone, welcome to episode 10 of Model Car Memories. Thank you for following along if you've gotten this far. I'm going to do something different on this episode. Got me a little sorting tray here, and what I've got is multiple containers of spare parts. If you noticed on a couple of the restorations I've been doing, I've been missing parts. So it's been kind of difficult to go through all these bins and stuff and try to figure out what's what. So I'm going to try to attempt this and sort this out. So just going to give you an example of what I got here. So obviously this right here is a bunch of tail lights, different ones. So I'll set this here. I think I had one car that was missing a tail light, but I had gone through these and none of these seemed to fit. So put all those here. There's one that's been, looks like it's been painted there. So, but for example, there's tail lights. But also got wheel covers. Lots and lots of wheel covers here. I don't know if that's a wheel cover or not. It kind of looks a little weird. Doesn't exactly look like a wheel cover. Might be a weird headlight thing or something like that. So there's that one almost matches, a wire wheel cover there, and some moon caps. So then we got some junk in here. Then there's also louvers. So I've got sets of louvers here. So I think I'll put that in a miscellaneous type bin. It looks like a grill there, so put that there. It's just, no, must have been from a 3-in-1 kit there, so I'll put that in a miscellaneous thing there. Thing looks like it could be still left on the T here, a little handle of some sorts. So, and we got a few clear parts here. That's from a really small model. I've noticed a few of those here and there, so put that with that. There's another one. That one's okay. Now I do have some that are missing this part, I know, so I'll put that there. And so we'll put bumpers here. Some clear. So, and then if you remember from a few episodes back, the Triumph. There's the box for the Triumph, but inside it, more spare parts. And I think I've got another one here that's just nothing but wheels and tires. And I've got other wheels and tires there, so lots of wheels and tires. So I can give them their own. I don't know if that's what that's from. If it was melted that way or made that way, I'm not sure. There's some racing slicks there. Model T. And still got the axle in it. Oh, yeah, these are all melted together. Oh, there's a Corvair wheel cover. How about that? Okay, some Continental kits here. That's what those things are for. So this is all. There's a little bit of foil there. Looks like it was used for a seat. Okay, let me just make sure that that's. Let me get out the parts that aren't wheels. And I'll just dump them in there. So there we go. Bin of wheels there. So let me do some more sorting on this, and I'll come back to you with what if I pick out some interesting things here and show you those. All right, made a little bit of progress here. What I've done, I've saved this small container here because there's a lot of small chrome parts, rear view mirrors, stuff like that. I've got my bucket of wheel covers and stuff, and there's lots of dog dishes and moon caps and such. Any tail light related. In here I've got aerials, side view mirrors, some spotlights, a couple of horns, stuff like that. Here I'm trying to put bumpers, grills, some exhaust parts here. This up here is more of a miscellaneous type stuff, and then all the clear that I found is in there. Of course, all the wheels and tires in there. In here I found so far 3 roll bars, some suspension parts, some Continental kits here. So putting those in on that. Trying to save this one here for some interior parts, and then I've got some really big body panels and stuff, like the convertible boots in here. So, but see, like, got a little Fender Skirt here. Don't really know what this is. This looks like it might have come off of one of the 3-in-1 kits, something like that. Engines, I'm gonna have to find a separate box for engine equipment here. I think that looks like exhaust. I might be off like the Model T kit or something like that, so I'll set that aside. So there's a bumper. These are just some louvers and stuff. I'm putting them in that miscellaneous there. Some miscellaneous hood to something. Another Fender Skirt. Then some more louvers on that. One thing I did find here, see if y'all can help me on this. I haven't done an internet search on this, so I'm seeing it right as I got it. Finding a lot of the license tags, and some of them have the year on it, and one of them had the year and AMT 3-in-1 kit, but this one's got SMP on it, so I'll have to look that up. I haven't seen a box with anything like that. Well, here's an SMP kit right here. Look at this. Just look around. So there's one right there. It kind of looks like the AMT logo, but it says SMP on it. So it is an AMT. So right there it says AMT, but then it says SMP on it. So this was the box for the 60 Chevy convertible. But right now it's just got, that's all the decal box. So interesting. So, well, mystery solved on that. Just had to look around for it. So I've got 2 more bins and a box to still go through on this, and I'll go through that and come back to you. Okay, everybody, I'm pretty much done sorting. I think some of these I'll probably have to go through and subdivide them even more. So I've got the small bin here. Use this old what is this? Isodets throat lozenges. So use that for all the mounting, the assembly hardware, because some of them are missing that. I've noticed some where they maybe take 4, but they've only got 2 or 3 in there. Got some interior parts and miscellaneous stuff here. These 2 bins over here, kind of put some exterior parts, big panels. Got 1 box that's nothing but a couple of engine parts, and then I still got the main tray here with all the all the wheels, wheel caps, bumpers, exhaust pipes, stuff like that. So hopefully now, if I go run across one that has some missing parts, it'll be a lot easier to find those missing parts. Did have a couple other things I've noticed. Let's see, right here, especially on the 3-in-1 parts, you got this engine tray. So I think that was on the one with the drag racer, and you have a spare engine, so you have the engine stand there. Ran across this as well. Don't know what this is for. It just says AMT Corp, patent pending. Don't know if this was something to display or if it was a guide or something like that. It's a little melted here on the sides, but I haven't found an instruction sheet to really know what this was used for. So any of you veterans out there might know what it's for. Drop a comment in the thing there. Also found something else here. This gray piece, little loop. This might go with, there's an airplane, and it was molded in the same color, and it might be with that, but I haven't done a restoration on the airplane because it's missing quite a few parts to it. So I'm gonna wait till I see if I can find all the parts of that to do that airplane. But ended up with some junk stuff here. This has been broken. This is a little box. So don't know what this is for, but it might go with, not that one. I saw some other stuff that was molded the same way. Got this part here. Don't know what this is. It's two pieces that were glued together, and then you make the hinge on it there. So these things kind of hinge around. So don't know what that's for. If you got any guesses, shoot me a line on that here. Oops. So, and then there's just a little bit of trash and stuff, so clean that trash up. I did find a thing here, little plate here for, it says Ranchero. I'm going to save that for later. I do have a Ranchero. I haven't gotten to it yet, but I'm going to do something special with that when the time comes to it there. So it's a little piece of glass or something. There's that plastic. That's just, can't tell if that's trash or not. But and also with the engine stuff, found a lot of hood scoops, old style hood scoops, different kinds here and there. So if I ever get around to doing a hot rod car, I can do me a hood scoop there and make it look period hot rod style there. So, but thanks for watching. Make sure if this is the first one you've seen, go back and check the other 9 episodes. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also catch me on Instagram too. Thanks.